All parties Hurriyat Conference has expressed grave concern over the systematic atrocities during cordon and search operations, house raids, illegal detentions, attaching properties of the Kashmiris at the hands of the Indian forces in occupied Kashmir. APHC spokesman Advocate Abdul Rashid Minhas, talking to Kashmir Media Service in Srinagar, rejected India's integral mantra about the internationally recognized disputed territory of Jammu and Kashmir. New Delhi appointed administration led by the Lieutenant Governor has seized another property of a Kashmiri in the Rajouri district. The police authority, along with the paramilitary forces personnel attached to canals and one marla land owned by Javed Iqbal in the Manchkot area of the district. One person was killed and several others injured in different road accidents in the occupied Kashmir. A fatal road accident claimed the life of a driver. The driver reportedly lost control of the vehicle, resulting in the tragic crash. High Court has quashed the detention of the advocate Mia Muzaffar under the Black Law, the Public Safety Act. Advocate Mia Muzaffar was detained in July 2024 under the draconian law. National Conference President Farooq Abdullah has said that the electricity of occupied Kashmir has been diverted to Rajasthan and Uttar Pradesh states of India by the Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha, leaving the people of the territory to suffer. Farooq Abdullah, addressing a public rally in the Katwa district, reiterated the demand for restoration of Kashmir statehood and said that without it, several challenges cannot be addressed. 2 persons died after an iron-laden truck fell into a deep gorge on the highway near the Battery Chashma in the Ramban on the Thursday night. The official said that a rescue operation was launched immediately after the accident and the bodies were recovered on the Friday morning.